down easy now. Watch the alignment pins.
We're good here. Set it down.
Clear on the right side. Same here, bring it forward.
Easy now, lower the crane by 5 centimeters.
Clear on this side. And easy, bring it down slow. Left to touch, hold it right there. All right, set it down, looks good. All right, check that deflection.
Holding steady at 40. We're within tolerance.
Good, lock it down. Easy now. Looks good, keep coming down. Easy now, bring it down slow. Watch the clearance on the left.
Looks good. Just a little lower.
Slow rotation, minimal movement. Alignment is spot on. Bring it down easy now. We are good to go. Keep coming down slowly. Watch that gap. All right, we've got the alignment. Set it down.
Work is set on the wrench.
Okay, panels are secure. Final check on the seals. Final connection secured. Go ahead and initiate the boot sequence.
Copy that. Systems check complete. We have targeting data. Rangefinder secured. Connect the fiber bundle.
Checking the schematic, alignment is good.
Confirmed. The system is integrated. Okay, easy now. Watch the harnesses.
Pins are engaged. Green light here. Hydraulic cycling. Looks good. Alignment looks good. Secure the forward bolts. Roger that. System secured. Make sure that strap is tight. We don't want it shifting on maneuvers. Roger that. How are the water cans looking? Almost secured here. Just tighten the last one. Watch your hands on the left side. Clear. Hit the bolt.
We have green status on the primary diagnostic. Excellent. Logging the results now.
Secure the pedals first, then we can drop the main panel in. All right, stand clear. Now connecting the primary harness.